to the first episode of the hottest selling wigs that my baddies be selling out on the live. We're gonna start off with this reddish brown Yaki straight wig. That's 7x5 by knots. Coming to you pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached with that adjustable band on the inside, another band going around their circumference, and of course a clip in the back. And my ladies are always saying, but what if I have a big head? What if I have a small head? We have two different slots for you to adjust your adjustable band. The bottom one for the large size, the top one is going to be medium. Your ear holes already cut out. She also has that silicone backing so she can be nice and snug. This unit is completely glueless with that clear HD lace to match any skin tone, and that Yaki straight texture is gonna set it off every single time. When I say ready to wear out that box, that's exactly what I mean. Go ahead and get you one.